Hi, today I'm for the LENOVO Yoga Tab 11 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which this device comes. So let's first open the box. So this is the place for the tablet, and let's check here. We got two of the paper boxes. So let's check the first one. Here we can see this is the Symmetric tool, quick start guide, warranty guide, and the safety guide. So the important information guide. So some paperwork and the Symmetric tool. Let's just check the second box. So here we can find this is the USB Type-C cable, and also we can see here the just charger, the Lenovo original charger brick. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.